because I did art, poetry, writing, all of that, and writing always comes in handy. But that mindset of being able to envision something and then make it happen, or the mindset of knowing you can create, or some folks use the word manifest things, despite or in spite of, you know, whatever reality is planning to show you. Like, you're not stuck only in what is. You have the ability and the creativity to move towards and make into reality what could be. And I think that is really important. So that keeps the motivation up, and that keeps the creative problem solving going. That's really
I love that.
important.
Don't be stuck in what is, focus on what could be.
Yes. And make it happen.
Yes.